Some people will lose 100% of their crypto investment because they don't know when to sell. In this video, you will learn the indicators that you should be looking out for in order for you to sell and make maximum profit from your crypto investment. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so when next I publish new content, you'll be notified. So we'll be looking at three main indicators or three main signals that you should be looking out for in order for you to know the right timing to exit your investment or to sell, to take profit from the market and use that profit to pursue a bigger project outside crypto. So the first one is Bitcoin new all-time high. Now, Bitcoin, one of the things you should know about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is the dominating asset. Now you can see Bitcoin dominance is at 61.72%. So this means that Bitcoin has 61.72% of the market share. So Bitcoin is the dominant asset in the crypto industry. Now, what that means is that Bitcoin, whatever happens to Bitcoin also affects other altcoins, also affect the entire crypto industry. So that means when Bitcoin increases by 5%, other assets in the crypto industry, some could increase by 50%, 40%. And also when Bitcoin decreases by 10%, other assets could decrease as high as 50%, 70%, some 80%. So this is very important. So Bitcoin price or increase in Bitcoin price should be used as a gauge to know the performance of your own asset and to know when to exit the market gradually. Now, when you look at this cycle, okay, so at this point, this is November 2021, that was last cycle. The all-time high was around $70,000. Bitcoin all-time high was around $7,000. Then from 2021 down until this point. So at this point, this 2024, this is when Bitcoin achieved $74,000. Bitcoin reached $74,000. Now, this means there are investors that have invested in good assets at this low level when Bitcoin was $20,000. Okay, at this low level, there are some investors that have invested on good assets like Tron, Bitcoin. Now at this point, this means that Bitcoin has achieved or attained a new all-time high of $74,000. Although the new all-time high is not very significant, but it is still significant because it is higher than the previous bull run all-time high. Now, at this level, at this $74,000, you are expected to take profit, at least close 50% of your trade, and hold the remaining one to look for. So in order for you to maximize your investment. Now, this is another all-time high. After that point, then the price of Bitcoin rose to this level to $100,000. It can be in $100,000 range for a long time. Now, this is also a very critical point. Now, you can also combine this analysis with other macroeconomic indicators or what is happening in the general economy. Now, at this $100,000, this is a new all-time high, and it is very, very significant. Now, when you look at the difference between this all-time high and the last bull run all-time high, it is about $30,000. This is very significant. Now, for those that have had coin invested in this in the bear at this bottom, now at this point you should take at least 60 to 70% of your investment off the market because Bitcoin has attained a very significant new all-time high. So this is very important. It's one of the indicators that you should be seeing. Use Bitcoin price and Bitcoin prices to take your profit as you go. So this is the first indicator that you should be looking out for. So in the next all-time high, you should look at your asset and you should know what to do next. So the next indicator that you'll be looking out for is crypto trader showing off their profit. Now, whenever you see crypto traders showing off their profit, their exotic watches, luxury cars, expensive lifestyle, when you see this on crypto Twitter, it is an indicator that the top is closed. It is an indicator that the bull run is almost coming to an end. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about in practical. Now, look at this watch. This watch cost $800,000. Now, there are people that buy this kind of watch. They'll buy it with the money they make from crypto. Now, this another watch. This watch costs $190,000. Now, there are people that will buy. Imagine using now $190,000 from your profit, a hard-earned money to buy watch. Now, look at another one, $480,000. Now, there are people that will buy this with their money, the money they make from trading, and they will share it on crypto Twitter. You'll be seeing a lot of them as the top, as we get close to the peak of the bull run. Now, this is also car. This is one of the crypto trader that bought his car with the money he made from crypto, paid fully for a new Tron C4X 2024 with crypto money. God is greatest. Now you can see Now, this trader has bought a car with the money he made from crypto, and he is displaying the image. Now you can see what I'm talking about. So now this is one of the factors, one of the indicators that you're looking out for. Now, also this is also a Bugatti that is sold for 16 million pounds. Now, also lifestyle, people will be engaging in new lifestyle, expensive lifestyle. This is Burj Khalifa. A lot of persons will travel to different places they've never been to before, just to enjoy life with the profit they've made from their trading or their investment. Now, this is Burj Khalifa. People doing events at Burj Khalifa. This is exotic lifestyle. So all these are indicators that a lot of traders have made money from the market, and it signals that the top is closed and it is time for you to start exiting your investment or exiting your trade. So this is very, very significant, and you should look out for this. When you see a lot of this on your timeline on Twitter, now it is something that you should pay attention to. Now, what should you do at this point? So when you see a lot of this on your profile, on your trade, now what you should be thinking about is to look at closing your trade, let's say 80 to 90% of your assets. It is a very significant indicator. So the next indicator that you should be looking at, or signal you should be looking at, is the volume of crypto application usage. Now, when you see Phantom, Binance, Coinbase topping Play Store, they are the first application on Play Store and App Store. It is an indicator that is very significant. What it means is that a lot of people in the traditional industry, in the Web3 industry, are getting to know that crypto is profitable. People are making money from crypto, and they want to also make some of the money. And because of that, you see a spike, an increase in Google trend for crypto-related world. Now, you will see a lot of downloads on decentralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit. You see that the number of downloads has increased. You see an app like Phantom that is for Solana. You see a lot of persons downloading it, and applications like Coinbase, Binance, Phantom will top Play Store and App Store. So when you see this, it means a lot of people are flocking into the industry, and it is time for you to exit your investment. Now, let me say that it is good to exit your investment and maximize your profitability by 90 to 95% than leaving the entire investment or entire asset until it goes back to where it started from. Now, this post on Melo summarizes the point I'm trying to make in terms of the spike in the number of downloads for crypto application. Sell everything when Coinbase is first on the App Store. You see crypto news on Instagram. Random TikTokers are trading meme coins. Everyone around you is speaking about crypto in grocery stores, at the gym. People are texting you for advice. Everyone is making money. The market top when the signs are lying. So this is very significant. When all these things are happening now, you have to understand that the bull run is about to end, and it is time to secure your bank. It's time to sell, use that money and invest it in the traditional industry. This is very, very important. So these are the top signals or indicators that you should be looking out for as in this bull run, so that you can maximize your investment, secure your profit, and do whatever you want to do with the profit that you secure. Now, if you find this content helpful and very useful, hit the subscribe button, like this content. What other indicator do you think or signal do you think you should be looking out for? Comment in the comment section. There's a video here on why I think Solana will reach $1,000 in this cycle. Check it out. You'll find it useful. Also, CoinDollar has a community, and in our community, we help and guide members to make money on daily basis. Check the comment section, and you see the link to join the community. See you in the next video.